perfect formula for the perfect YouTube video is pretty simple. It's the script. Here is how I personally script every single one of my own YouTube videos. Number one, the hook. Obviously, the most important part of any YouTube video is the start, which is what I like to call the hook. We need to hook the audience in order to get them through the introduction and straight into the content. But how do we hook our viewers? We need to grab their attention within the first 15 seconds of your video. So that means getting rid of any pre-made intros and getting creative. Get creative and have fun with this section of the script. If you need some inspiration, watch some of my other videos or go ahead and watch some creators that are within your niche and see how they are hooking their viewers, because they've probably hooked you multiple times. The next part of the video is the section that I like to call the value or content. This is where you get to show off your talents, your topics, what you want to tell people about in your video. This is the main section of the video where all the content is. For a how-to video, this is where all the steps will be. For a fitness video, this will be where the workout is or the recipe. For a gaming video, this is the game. The list goes on and on. The trick to keep a viewer watching in this section is by providing as much value as you possibly can and cut anything that isn't needed. The last part of the video is the section that I like to call either the end screen or a call to action. Firstly, never say goodbye to your audience or let them know that the end of the video is coming up. What you need to do is try and work out a creative way to get your viewer from this video to a next video of your own. If you tell your audience that the video is ending, they've already decided that they need to find another video to go ahead and watch, and it probably isn't going to be yours. What you can do is think about some videos on your own channel that relate to each other, or the next episode in a series. How can you deliver this video to your audience so they watch it next? Great thing about scripting is you can prepare this in the script. Now that you can write a perfect script, you're going to need some viewers to watch those videos. But what's better than viewers? Subscribers. Click the video on screen now to find out how you can get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube.